Hey folks, welcome back to Bama Performance and Bench Chainsaws. Back with your host Nick Forster, and tonight we is back in the shop. It's been a crazy couple weeks. Got married, went on a honeymoon, had a death in the family. So I've been out of town out of the last probably 3 weeks, almost 2. So I ain't been home much. Wanting to get back into things. Give it a little bit of update. Or pull in 4,000. I got the rings in. It was right around the time I was getting married. We're going on my honeymoon, one or the other. I placed them somewhere and I cannot find them. So I've got them. I got to do some more searching. I think they're in my truck. But I can't find them right now. I was going to hop into that, get that guy back together tonight, but I can't. So, like I said, I just can't find them. I want to get something done tonight. So, in light of that, I reckon I'm going to hop into this project. Or at least think about it. I picked this up a little while ago. It was really cheap. Looked in pretty decent shape. I mean, not great shape, but pretty decent. But I'll let y'all see. It is another Pioneer P42. This is a Pioneer partner. P42 HB. Like I said, pretty decent shape. It's actually a half wrap, which is kind of odd, I think. It does have low compression. Not that great of compression, but that's okay. Trying to think what else. That's about all I know of it. I got it here before I got married, and it's kind of sat ever since. So tonight, got an empty box from putting our what's it called back together, our Mac. So we're gonna hop on this. I'm still waiting to build our Husqvarna 55. It's really hot right now. I mean, it's still like 85 degrees outside, and it's almost 11 o'clock. So I really don't want to spend 4 or 5 hours porting it like I want to, just because I'll be a mess after I'm get done. So gonna wait till probably fall to put that one back together. I may just put it back together with stock top end for now. I've got that here, so we could throw that on. But I kind of want to see what I have to work with this. So we're going to do that first. First thing, I want to see if we have a good coil. These are notorious for the coils going bad. So why don't we see if we got something here. Let's see. That should work. Looks like a fairly new plug on it. Get it somewhere it can ground to. Let's see. It's up. I don't know if I'll be able to pull it fast enough, hard enough. Let's see. Gotta get it somewhere she'll ground. That'll work. I think I saw a pop there. Let's see. Let's get it on the ground so I put my foot in it. And she got spark, so that's a good thing. So these coils are notorious for going bad, so that's encouraging. Did that thing just leave my what's called in there? Or did it come off somewhere? Reckon it's gonna come off somewhere. Top, I usually pinch them down, but that one is not there. All right, let's see what we got here. No fury lid, no filter. That's all right, I got a filter. We'll throw it right there for now so I can find it later. Got the HP style setup, boot and everything, so that's good. Fill this guy out. Can. A little stiff. Got the Walbro WJ carburetor, so that's good. Doesn't look like it's been monkeyed around too much. Are missing the choke linkage. Is a governed carb from the factory, but we can always, but it is double adjustable. One of the needles does look a little bent though, so let's see where she was at to start with. So half, yeah, somebody definitely bent the hell out of this needle. Half, one. All right, it is sitting at 1 ounce, so that's a good sign. Half, one, 1.5, 2, or not quite 2, almost 2. So we probably got air leak somewhere. So let's keep going. Go ahead and pull our carb off. Don't have to worry about choke linkage. Ain't got it. There we go. There we go. Not overly tight, so that's good. Okay. Trying to remember. It's been a while since I've actually worked on a Pioneer. See how our intake block looks. Honestly, doesn't look cracked. Not mean that it's not. Yep, she's cracked. She's cracked on this side, so we'll have to do a repair there. So it is the updated four bolt, so that's always good. See where I want to go next. See if these guys will come out here. These are notorious for not. That one's loose. That's a good sign. Oh wow, they both came out. That's real good. So we're gonna have to take the top handle off to get the engine out of here. Or sorry, cylinder. See if that guy will come. She's more likely not. Nope, I don't know if that one's gonna come out of there. They may end up taking the whole handle off. Looks like they put a bolt instead of the decompression valve, which is fine as long as it seals. Yeah, that guy ain't coming out there. Not easily. Let's see about these guys up here. That one come out. Stuck. There you go. Push that guy out of there. Yeah, I forgot how easy these things are to work on. For the most part. Always going to be some there a little difficult. But for the most, they're pretty easy. If you're getting into vintage saws, I'd say it's probably one of the easiest ones to work on, truly. For a vintage saw, besides your just as far as skill and, like I said, just being easy. I think that's the stop bolt, but that's all right. Go. Turn her up. Oh, nope, those come from the front. I'll just get that. I don't know why it's so greasy. But she's got a case leak. It's a bar oil, so it could be. Case ain't that greasy. I think it just leaked down with heat. Making it expand. Alright. I'll say those are like 7/16, if I remember right. gonna be a 7/16. Maybe I can get at it with an 11. There you go. I do actually have another full wrap I might throw on here. I may leave it half wrap. I kind of like them with the half wraps too. A lot easier to put a bar on and everything. Be curious to see if the starter housing will come off. I think it actually came off another saw, but these plastics do odd in the heat, so it could be factory. Alright, let's see if I can just get rid of that. That's an 11mm. There's my impact. Save us a little bit of time. There we go. I'll take those out. I don't think that actually leaked out of the case. I don't believe. That's good. Looks like we'll have to get us a clutch. Looks like the clutch is gone. That I can see. Let's go ahead and pull that guy off. Looks like we only got one nut. Not the correct nut either. That's alright. Have a hole in our cover. The guard is broke. That's alright. Yeah, I think she just been leaking out from there. Yeah, that's alright. Does still have a band in it. Definitely will have to get a clutch. Threads and everything look fine. Alright, I reckon we will go to what's called next. Oh, it's really gonna be an oddball. It's gonna be an oddball. We go after it with a wrench to start with. Size you're gonna be like a 3/8, I believe. I know I have up here. I used it the other day. I ain't say it ain't grown legs and walked away. Let me see if I can get it with a screwdriver. Try to get this one. Yeah, that one usually come off pretty easy. Alright, that one loosened up. This one's actually a front exit, which is kind of interesting on the high performance. The ones I ran across have always been rear exit. I prefer them. Yeah, this is oh no, I'm sorry, it's a p40 CB. At least that's what it's tagged as. Let's see what our insides look like before we pull our starter cover off. Oh, she has been, I think, looks like it slung a chain and it went through the muffler. So I'm gonna have to pick up a muffler for it, at least the inner shell. See that? That'd be directly in line unless the clutch blew up. Alright, wow, this side of the guy looks perfect. This side of the piston is clean and nice. Cylinder looks fantastic. What if we got stuck rings? That'll be interesting. feels a little stuck. That one's loose. This one's a little stuck though. Let's see if I can get it to come. Sometimes I can get them pop free. Alright. Let's see here. I think it's gonna be my 19. So I know I've got it here. It's just where is she? My 18. Is that my 19 over here? Sure enough. I try a different spark plug just to see. Yeah, I don't think that thing was in there at all. One, it's the wrong plug. It was just leaking compression out of that. But that sun got stuck down in there. I ain't had one do that yet. Get back to me. I've never had one get stuck down in there. That's interesting. There she goes. Not 100% sure that was the right plug. So we'll try. I think that guy should work. Just to see if that's our issue. It'll let us know pretty quick. Nope, still got low compression. So she may be wore out or just got scoring on the exhaust side. We can always throw a new set of rings at her if she's worth it. Alright, focus our attention back over here. See if these guys will come out. They are actually, wow, they are. Cool. They're not screws. Or, well, they are, but they're not, what's it called? I don't know, they've been frayed out a little bit. Let's see. Too big. Alright, we're going to have to go at it with a screwdriver for now. Alright, that one's free. That one's free. This one's usually kind of stuck for whatever reason. That one's free. It's actually coming apart pretty darn easy, all things considering. Yes, did pull the gas cap off. It's a little old, but it's not terrible. Not terrible at all. Really wish I could have found them rings for our pulling 4000. Been wanting to get that guy back together for a while. This thing got spraying in my hand. I was working on a truck yesterday. I had to put a rear axle seal and a new bearing in. The passenger side decided it wanted to start leaking. Come on. Oh, well, that's all where it fell. So that's already good. Glad, hopefully, after this week, we can settle back down and get back out to making regular videos again. It's been a long couple weeks, let me tell you. There we go. Honestly, it don't look that bad down there. Not look bad at all. Doesn't seem like it has a ton of play off in it. That's good. Does have the good starter on it. Wonder what size that is. Oh, there's my 7/16. I don't know why I went with a bigger size right there. Maybe a 13. See if that plug is tight. Oh, she tight. I think that's her issue. Gonna be something with the rings, or she scored up. Alright. I need to pull off her coil. Means I need to disconnect my wire right here. I can't remember, is it pinched up with that up there? Might just disconnect it down here. That might be easiest. I'll pull off a coil. Say that. If I can get it to come off. There she goes. Leave that with it for now. Got 2 Allen bolts. I hate where they put that sucker. I have to put it in the worst spot. Got a bunch of crud in it, trying to clean it out so we can get her off. I mean, somebody kept it halfway blew out. It's always a plus. Alright, got a bunch of my T-handles already up here. One smaller than that guy. One bigger than that guy. But I find the one I'm not seeing. There's that one. There's that one. This guy right there. I don't know, that one's bigger. Not that guy. It's not that guy. Am I missing 4 or 3? 4. Alright. So I gotta find that other one. One more. See if we can find her up here real quick. Get better about picking up my stuff again. Go through ebbs and flows. Ebbs and flows. I might just take it off. I got my Anki set right here. About that size. You can go. I'll find that other one in a little while. Won't be too hard. Alright, done. Tore up my finger, so try not to do that again. Okay, that's already starting to strip. Wonder if I can get it cleaned out any better. Shot me if it's been apart before. Then the one that is a metric. I would guess. That other one could be, who knows? Who quite knows? Got a bunch of stuff sorted up here. Stuff to get back together, whatnot. Y'all know how it goes. At least I'd hope you would if you've been with us for that long. See if I can get a bite at it with this guy. And it got her loose. Oh, that guy not so much, come on. Oh, really now. Nope, that one's starting to strip with that. Man, can't believe I lost that other one. Like I said, it's round. I know it is. Of course, I lost it when I need it tonight. Story of my life. Just kind of tap this one in and see if we can do it to do anything. May not. Oh, she did. She broke loose. Let's get away from that. There we go. Away from that magnet. Go ahead and unscrew the other one. Go. Coil is out. Question is, will the coil be good when we go to put it back in? That's always fun. Get her back together and the coil is bad again. Alright, now we gotta go back to getting this guy out. Handle off. That'll be our last chore. Go get my impact, or my flathead from my impact. I'll be right back. Yeah, I did knock that up. Be right back. Hey folks, we're back. I've gone out this thing. It's not budging. Went after these. They're not budging, so we may have to leave it on to get it off. Yeah, that thing ain't budging. So let's just see if we can even get down to our bolts. To attempt to get it out. And that's gonna be too small. That one may just be just right. If I remember right, they're pretty substantial. See if I'm straight one of these, so I can clean these out. That one's fairly clean. That's the issue on this one. I'm trying to get it right there. Alright, most of them are clean. Most of them clean. Now we gotta find which one of these guys fit. Not that guy. That guy's too small. That one's smaller. Double check. Yeah, that one's too small. That one's too big. Remember them being substantial, not that substantial. Let's see here. There she is right there. Alright. So we can get her out. screws in there nice and tight. Let's see. Use this as my breaker bar. Should move. Not by a whole lot, but should move. Yep. Alright. Reckon I'll bring y'all back when we get this out. Alright folks, it's actually a very, very clean on the inside. One minor little scuff, but you can't catch it with your finger. I'm gonna go ahead and say it had either stuck ring or she's just wore slap out. I'm just wondering if this is a p38 top hand, because it feels a little bit smaller than the what's called top ends, the P40s or P42s, the 66. It looks quite small compared to those, but like I said, looks perfect inside. No carbon reel built up, so we may just throw a set of rings at it and roll. I think I've got a set or two here. We'll test it without the gasket, see if we can delete the gasket on it. That'll give us a little more compression, a little more torque, and then I may play with the transfers a little bit, but other than that, I don't think we'll do too much as far as that. That's a little wore out, not terrible. I've seen worse. Could not get the screw out, so I just took those out and pried it up, but she'll go back down. I could probably work it back and forth with some penetrating fluid and get it off, but ain't no big worry. Piston looks terrific. So yeah, so far it's actually a pretty decent saw. I think it'll end up being pretty decent for us too, once we get that figured out. I said I'll look through my stash. I think I have a set of rings or two. Might have two sets. I know I've got a complete P40 top end and a P42 HP boost port. Got a few different top ends, but we'll probably just go back with what it's got because it looks beautiful in there. I may end up porting on a little bit. I'm gonna do some more research, see what kind of, because really all you can really change on these is the transfer timing. I mean, you can on the exhaust. Really, you don't want to go no wider on the exhaust. It's pretty daggone wide as it is. Be worried to go much wider on it. Play with the timing a little bit, but other than that, fairly clean, truly. Underneath a little bit of grime, but we'll wrap this one up for tonight. It's getting kind of late. I'm getting tired, so appreciate y'all watching. If you like what you saw, please hit that like button. Want to see more, hit that subscribe button. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks, y'all.